Hi, I am Charu. Welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'll be sharing a recipe of protein-packed salad on a hot sizzler plate. So let's get ready to uncover the secret behind smoky and sizzling salad. To prepare the salad, first thing we need to soak the beans overnight to soften them up for easier cooking. Also add a teaspoon of salt to each. Use a pressure cooker to cook the soaked beans until tender. And once the beans are cooked, drain the remaining water. Add all these ingredients to the bowl and pour the prepared dressing over the salad. Gently mix everything together until the dressing coats the ingredients. We'll cover it with cling wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour to let the flavors blend together and salad to marinate. It's time to arrange the cabbage leaves on the hot sizzler plate covering entire surface. Trim the sides of the leaves. Heat the iron plate for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's smoking hot. Now that the chill sizzle is ready, it's time to add some sizzle to our dish. Now arrange the cabbage leaves on the hot sizzler plate covering entire surface. Carefully transfer our marinated salad onto the sizzler plate. This simple and healthy dish can be enjoyed as a side dish or a light meal, especially in summers. Let the sizzler plate work its magic for a minute or two, allowing the flavors to blend. And the heat from the hot plate turns the cabbage leaves to release a pleasant aroma. Placing chill butter and ice cubes on a hot plate creates an amazing sound and a lot of smoke. Serve it immediately while it is still hot and sizzling. Finally, this protein-rich sizzler salad is ready to be savored. If you liked it, please subscribe and share. I'll be sharing a recipe of hot cut. So let's get ready to see So let's get ready. Secret behind smoky and sizzling salad.